My dear Tashi, Agha Saeed Saheb, friends of the Pakistan American Democratic Forum, Assalamu alaikum. It feels so nice to be with you again. Reminds me of the lovely time that we had in Chandni Hotel on October 25th last year. I remember Nahid sitting with her computer and Tashi on the podium and all of you sitting in the hall listening to me so attentively, encouraging me in my task. Now it is so heartening to learn that you are taking so much interest on the subject of more dams for Pakistan, and in particular in Kanabagh Dam, which can be built in the quickest period of time. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, lack of knowledge on this subject is totally abysmal. As I said last year, it is the print media and the electronic media which are in a position to disseminate the required knowledge to the public. They are failing in this. They started doing a little bit here and there, but a lot more has to be done by them. However, with the increasing water and power crisis, public awareness is also increasing. TV channels are running programs almost every day, though the anchor persons lack the required knowledge to make the programs more credible. The newspapers have also become much more receptive. The English daily news, the news, is printing my letters almost at an embarrassing rate almost every day. Even the Karachi-based Dawn has started doing that, though to a lesser extent. I'll be sending all these letters which cover the whole spectrum of water and power related topics. This is the time to keep hammering our point and hoping for the best. I want to thank you again for having afforded me the opportunity of addressing you last year on this very important subject, and also now for asking for a fresh input from me. Thank you, and may God bless you in your endeavors.